Hello everyone, welcome back to Swayam Siksha. Today in this video, we're going to discuss one of the important topic which is very important for the upcoming prelims. So which is nothing but the species in the news. Now let's see what are the new species that we've discovered and published in the news. So the very first one was the species which were actually found in Tibet. So there has been 5 new species discovered in the Tibet. So which were 3 kinds of frogs, a bushmaster snake which is venomous, and a type of macaw, a genus of gregarious old world monkeys. So these were the new discovery which was actually done in the Tibet in the terrestrial wildlife of Tibet. So this was actually an 8 years of research results. So since 8 years, there has been a investigation going on in the terrestrial wildlife of Tibet. So where they found actually these kind of new species which were actually published in the news. Now, the next one, mouse lemurs. So this was actually a new kind of a mouse lemurs, which is a group of shy nocturnal primates found on the island of Madagascar. So on the Madagascar, they found these kind of mouse lemurs. They see Madagascar was also called as a lemur island. So they are actually about a size of a human fist. So they're very, very small. So they're actually kind of a human fist of size. And due to the deforestation happening in Madagascar forest, they're actually facing a lot of threats. So as of now, there are one not 8 species of lemurs are there, and 25 species of mouse lemurs has been present, and these were actually threatened with an extinction. So the IUCN status was extinction for this mouse lemur. So this was another kind of a new, which is a tiniest group of primates found in the Madagascar. Now, the next one, which is a tiny Lilliputian frog, which was actually found in the Bolivian cloud forest, where this was actually measuring 10 millimeters itself, like which was, very smallest one, like 0.4 inches of size it has, which is nothing but a size of an aspirin tablet. So it's small, that tiny it is. So that's why it was called as tiny Lilliputian frog. And this was actually found in Zolong Valley here, the Zolong Valley near La Paz, Bolivia. So near the Bolivia, it was actually found in it. So this was actually found in the Bolivian cloud forest. This was very tiniest one. So this was the newest discovery right now. Now let's see the next one. So this is a one of a different kind of an interesting one where I hope you will remember it for a longer time. So this is a new green pit viper species which was actually found in Himalayas. So this was actually found in Himalayas, which is in the Arunachal Pradesh region. So why this is interesting, I'll let you know. So this new Indian pit viper was actually named after one of the J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series, which is the character Salazar Slytherin. So yes, so the name of the snake is Trimarsis Salazar or the Salazar's pit viper. So Salazar's pit viper. So this snake is also nocturnal and has a unique reddish to orange kind of a stripe on the head and body. So as you could see in the picture, this is completely green, and here from the head to the body, it has an reddish to the orange kind of a stripe on it. So this was actually discovered in Arunachal Pradesh recently. Of course, Arunachal Pradesh has so many varieties of species present in it. This was the newest discovery with the name of Salazar pit viper. Now let's see the next one. So the next one here, we're talking about the Euphylix Kerala, which, this species was actually named in the honor of remarkable biodiversity of the state. So Kerala has a lot of, wide range of biodiversity. So in the honor of the state name itself, they provided, they kept the name Kerala with this kind of a new species. This was actually found in the freshwater bodies of the foothills of the Western Ghats. So on the Western Ghats, it was found. It was in the freshwater bodies. And not only that, it was actually south to the Palakkad Gap. So it was present in the Palakkad Gap, which is on the southward. So on the south direction, it was present on it. And as of now, Kerala is actually known to have its 180 species of frogs right now. Like there are so many frogs in Kerala, if I must say. So this new species was actually kind of a skittering frog. So this was actually found or identified under the surroundings of Tathikat Bird Sanctuary. So here, the Tathikat Bird Sanctuary. So this was there, and as I said, there are 180 species of frogs right now in Kerala. Well, right now, so and there may be much more awaiting for the discovery. So who knows? There are so many kinds of frogs as well. So as of now, the Euphlyctis Kerala. This is the new species which they found near the Tathikat Bird Sanctuary in Kerala, which is south of the Palakkad Gap. Now let's see the next one, Pimig hogs. So this, this few captive which were actually kept captivated long back, and they've started to give it for the breeding. So this few captive breeding hogs were the world's rarest and the smallest wild pigs. So as you could see, they were actually released into the Manas National Park, which is on the western Assam. So this was actually given there, and this Pimig hog is actually a native to the alluvial grasslands in the foothills of Himalayas. So this was present in the alluvial grasslands on the foothills of Himalayas, which was actually present in and upon near the Assam. So this will actually present at the elevation of 300 meters, which is nothing but 980 feet of elevation where they actually could present in. And it is also designated as the Scheduled 1 species in India under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So under Schedule 1. And not only that, it is also listed as endangered in the IUCN Red List. So these were actually listed under the endangered species. So they were actually reducing the numbers. And not only that, as we could see over here, where the Western Assam, that the Pimig Hawk Conservation Program. What about this conservation program? Well, it is a collaboration among the Dural Wildlife Conservation Trust of UK. So where the UK Trust, along with that, Assam Forest Department with Wild Pig Specialist Group of IUCN and Union Environment Ministry. So Union Environment Ministry along with the Assam Forest Department and the Wild Pig Specialist Group of from IUCN. So these were the people who work for the conservation of this Pimig hogs, and it is currently being implemented by the NGVOs by Aryanka and Ecosystems of India. So this was the conservation program which was actually taking up to enlarge their numbers and conserving them and taking care of them in the Manas National Park. So these are the new species. Don't worry, there are a lot more to come. So this is actually a kind of series of the video which you're gonna get it. So this is the first video and you will get the next video sooner. So don't worry about, these are not the only ones of species that found in the news. There are a lot more to come in. So that's all for today, and we'll see you guys with the next video. Thank you, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do follow or do get to know about us from our social media links in the description box below, the Facebook page, Instagram profile, and the Telegram channel. And you could contact us through our website, which is swayamsiksha.org, as you could go and find out what are our courses and what kind of services that we provide for you guys. So that's all for today, and we see you guys soon. Thank you.